No full auto in the buildings!
That's not full auto. This is full auto.
that's such a good fucking video.
Damn, bro, okay. Somebody coming. Probably a scout.
Here's John.
Run.
I will go and scaff him now. We'll go and scaff him then.
Wait with the scav, Alec. Go to scav.
Alright.
He's there. Blue things. Get it! I hope his AI is still glitched.
Is he coming here?
He's aiming at us! Oh my god! Oh my god! Right next to me he shot.
Hey.
Whoa! He coming, boy! He coming! Wait, who died there? Oh, that PMC? There is a dead PMC in the rock.
Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, what is
There
this?
is. Oh, fuck. There's PF, jump down.
Back.
Okay, make a wall. We will spray him.
Is he coming? Mother, maybe. No. Fucking hate this boss. I have to heal.
You can
Oh my god. He's raping us. It's not good to hear then. I'm gonna heal my fucking. Everything is hurt. What the fuck? Oh, I had a grenade. Do you think Tagilla killed him?
I don't know. All I know is it has big boys in the office. Oh, that was.
Wait.
I think we should push office and kill Tagilla.
I think we should, first of all, not go office and loot that PMC.
But we have to use the momentum, man. They're gonna heal us.
Mix him up, I'm playing home.
This is a
Factory.
scam, you fucking dumbass.
Doesn't matter.
What do you say?
Shut the fuck up, Alec! We're fucking focusing. We're playing factory. Are you gonna take the azimuth? No?
You can take it, yeah. Oh, is that Tagilla? Is that Tagilla?
He's coming! I flashed!
I can't run! I can't run, help me! Please don't leave me, you fucking
I'm
bitch!
reloading! Where are you?
I
Where is
dropped
he?
down.
Okay, good. I'm flashed, dude. I'm so black! What do you mean don't leave you behind? You can go up. I'm in the tunnel. I'm in the tunnel entrance.
I'm in the bunker door. Camera bunker door.
Bunker. You're on my left, basically? The
Camera-
yellow machine?
Camera bunker door.
Oh, you're under
I'm at the door, I'm next to.
Oh, that's someone on my left. What the fuck? It was just you. Wait. Is that still?
Was that Tagilla who shot you? No, who shot me?
Yes. I shot a whole fucking mag in him.
I sprayed
There he is.
the
He's on the
water.
right, he's on the right. Hey, what? Where'd he go? Is there people on the wall bridge? Oh, he's in front of us. He just walked away. He's aiming.
Oh fuck.
Get back. Whoa! Holy shit! He hit my fucking head, dude! Wait,
He's
what
coming,
game is
he's
this?
coming. He's shooting.
I'm fucking dead. I went other side. I'm bleeding, I have to fucking heal.
I heal. I will watch if he comes.
Brother. Everything is fucked. I think he's almost dead. I'm still bleeding. Fucking stop the bleeding. What the fuck did I heal? Gonna take painkillers?
We just need to spray him with him bullets and he will die.
Let's listen. Either he's next to us or above us. Run.
Fuck. Okay. Hey, go. Let's go here. On next. No. Go back. Oh, he knows how to look up. He knows how to look up. I'm coming up. Are you top? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm on the stairs. I'm on the beams. I'm on the beams.
I'm behind you. I'm running out of stamina. I can't run. He's gonna shoot me.
This is so autistic. So jump down. Oh,
He's
no.
coming. You have to shoot him.
I can't. I'm healing. One.
Tagilla.